Hello friends. Today we learn that how enable course in .NET Core and what is course cross origin resource services. Let's understand. The same origin policy is a standard security mechanism in web browsers that allows communications between two URLs only if they share the same origin, meaning the same protocol, port, and host. For example, let's see a client or script at suppose HTTP localhost 6000 will not be able to access a server application at HTTP localhost 5080 because these two URLs have different port addresses, so they cannot communicate to each other in the cross domain. So security restriction in your web browser will not allow request to the server application in other domain. Let's see with example. Here is where course cross-origin resource sharing comes to rescue. CORS is a W3C standard that allows you to get around the default same origin policy adopted by the browsers. In short times, meaning you can use CORS to allow some cross-origin requests while preventing others. How to add CORS in ASP.NET Core request. So to add course in ASP.NET, we open the Visual Studio 2017 or a higher version, create a new project, add NuGet package manager, and install the course. So suppose that how to install the course middleware. Add the course middleware to pipeline in the configure services method. Enables course is in the configure method. Enable course in the controllers. The action methods are globally. Course is enables on globally level, action method level, and controller levels. So that the Microsoft ASP.NET Course package is the course middleware that can be leveraged in ASP.NET Core to enable cross-origin resource sharing. To install this package, click the on Tools, NuGet Package Manager, and manage NuGet Package for solution. This search for the Microsoft ASP.NET Course package in NuGet Package Manager. Understand? Suppose in we startup file, open the startup files and configure that public void configure services I service collection services that add course. Here we add the method add course services dot add mbc set compatibility version dot version 22. How to configure course policy in ASP.NET Core? You can configure course policy in various ways in ASP.NET Core. Let's see the with example. And the following code snippet allow only a specific origin to be accessed. Suppose that services that add course options that add policy allow a specific origin, builder dot with origins with HTTP localhost 60571. Apart from the origin method, ASP.NET gives us a number of other methods related to other policy options. These include the following: allow origin, allow any header, allow any method, allow credential with methods with headers. In allow in any origin, used to allow access to resource from any origin, and allow header used to allow all HTTP headers in the request. Allow any method means used to allow any HTTP methods to be accessed. Used to pass credential with the cross origin request. With methods that means used to allow access to specific HTTP methods only. With headers means used to allow access to specific headers only. So this is the scenario of the enable course in ASP.NET Core. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel and